is a garbage, a baller cry. Baller near Manamoyan. Baller. Don't Africa for your padishia. Entertain piano, we jumped to conclusion. You'll be air quan, ye pebibi a bonipano, ye pebibi a bonipano, a dear bemanipane feel sad. Name, what is on your money? I'll take you through the legal process. That's one thing I'm good at. I will take you through the legal process. Now, when you say you were civil cases, the Bregu court, and you pay chions car, me catch you. Meti hey, na, and ye be me de baby yimbano, ewo courts. To some me DSC and let me post it to me page. I was responding to things the night with walker, so I had to post them. And I asked her to bring mediocre so the best start a fight. Let me dinner them, me dinner them. So I asked the say one found no sooner DM back to her. Because one found by you have a problem. That means what about attack you be? What about sharing nudity? Mrakwan so no mrakwan. And what would you know should be no? Same me was asikano, me was that time that me find information. A bit do so within that point. Then a year kasiye than say, waka obiasa within a deja bana, media mrakwan for so the one of your champions who media mrakwan is one so the media faso. Maybe translations so baby and I was wako into a beba, a broach mra, a boko, a hiti, a say, bang. Now you say case nevi yenti one wasem because every evidence and everything they need to actually deal with the particular criminal case has been settled. Until me know ya dear, nessa be maka ewa have evidence maka so me de call police station. Now what TB be? But one for the uncle police station. You have a problem. You have a problem. Me patcho me stay TB. There is no video, no audio, no cash withdrawal, no evidence. I'm what that the bar. A bit me say Akosua Serwaa a case for court. And a bit me say Odo Broni a case for court. That part is sorted, done and dusted. Reason for appeal is say omoka so one tia say the reasoning tia yanje omo a photocopy marriage certificate no antu and I know so be video actually I think the last 2 weeks say u betu kwan ba brochiri na yemfa ne say u got visa. Me be pomano. Chama me be pomano. That absence is a problem. We have me our account me fish. It also 10 minutes pay. Maybe 2 coin. This is my Canadian passport. So maybe to quite let's see. And here I'm cover. Okay, I'm cover me say. So my Canadian passport in here. So me baby to quite. Now my yes I deal with photocopy. Me ye photocopy na ne photocopy ni kura. Na me de nam airport to airport. Doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense, Anna. Photocopy na me de yabano. Yes, I mean, cover passport nankasa mechire won. This is where the problem is. What the photocopy number for passport nankasa because passports are issued by an institution, which is the Canadian government. And you know, it says here, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Canada requests in the name of His Majesty the King, all those whom it may consent to allow the barrier to pass freely without delay or hindrances and to afford the barrier such assistance and protection as may be necessary. This passport is the property of the government of Canada. It may not be altered. You must take every precaution to safeguard it. No matter what French. And to me, photocopy. Does it make sense to you? If I have the original, and me claim some of the original on the back court to put no more photocopy and the file, yes, it's here for original on the bra. You know original, no. This is where Akosua Serwaa's appeal is about. And what amended a little bit of the statement, what amended, which is legally right. Ubeti mi ase someone was some ewo court emrama ho kwan sese someone was some so what can be na answer to well with you. Then later I find this oh asem ya meka ye de bi na ntesa me dwifi ye ba na makai court be ma ho kwan sese but ye bisa o se for photocopy no for original na bra na 1 year one famba e pa cho ukwa appeal 10,000 years. Any lawyer that tells you otherwise is just taking your money and eating it. Me donya me. That lawyer is just collecting your money and eating it or disturbo fucking. Or disturbo fucking. Because you cannot go to the bank and show them photocopy for them to help you. Abroche away. Me want me documenting now on my phone so. Now me koji me phone chip because recently umbre me 3,000 1,007 plus 1,000 2,700 bill for telephone. Me the umbre 1,600 krona. Me read the umbre me 900 close to 1,000 krona. And I'm saying chia. And I may cancel company no. Until me koji another company. Me show me ID on my phone. These idiots told me to drive back to my house and bring an actual physical copy of my passport. Omanje me ID no. I want me phone so because they needed the actual tender. Na omwan kasa take your photocopy. Ansa na ye adwuma. And one is say Akosua Serwaa case na ekoso. Morda or the baby ba. Or the baby ba. No beka say. Akosua Serwaa can say. Akosua Serwaa can say. First of all, Akosua Serwaa ni Odo Broni ni court because of Nyama. And Crofo decided yes so mudi omo pebeye. Then be ameka sa asem wage no. Akosua Serwaa has not legally given anybody power of attorney to represent her. Sa Odo Broni sumo biere legal power of attorney to represent her. Enti some kwasi asem bi kwaso a ene Akosua Serwaa ukọ court a wo na ebecho wo na wagimi wo na wagimi ebecho yenchi Akosua Serwaa because there is no legal agreement between you and Akosua Serwaa from kwasi asem a be di ye ni nyina no Akosua Serwaa ma wo power of attorney and power of attorney mind you cannot be given to 10 people. It's only given to one person at a time. And he say Siano, Akosua Serwaa ma power of attorney for this month. The next month will choose another person. Yours is null and void. It doesn't hold any legal standing. And ye juma bi. And it's what din kwasi asem bi. Na wo feel say and mbedi mama ye chi na mama bre and mbedi mama ye chi na mama ye say me pa chofa wo nyansa tena me pa chofa wo nyansa tena be kunto ko mana na no ye legally reliable for your stupidity ana anything na me night which ni na jimi for be post to me naked pictures and me the call court here the police case they are no share the juma matter yet le juma musu me report ma the juma for because say Odo Broni am be frame say me be work ofibra wa ha the other man no me ex me partner ne ex-wife on no kura sa paper na ya report in 2024 enti ono no you reliable to answer to me first enti ono na me di kan Emma police for no corner so with the letter answer na me send you there out to their police station into police when I wa no ebua me ma me chiro other letters including their filing case into me chiro letter ma Italian police am the filing case na so e chire say case no wo no way hand originally no sa pictures ni free Munshi adio. Now, not just the legal aspects, no, but the spiritual aspects. So be betimi kum because anything I may have a baby abono. Because then we are come say ade me anya me den wo hu. Me find you be. And as encrophobia be so. This is one of the reasons I don't have patience. Me tina sasa na maka ah. Enti nipa betimi ni nipa nante di nipa boni say why? Because me no wona mo a. Enyuma bebre menye. I'm doing well. And you might be blaming ye. It is so we be chemia. Not shock because if I choose to be your friend, it means that I've opened up myself to you. So every small thing you do, no, it hurts me. Oh yeah, me be kit be boy. Ube feel say nyeshe, but me, it be hurt me. Because if you are kind of love na me no be far down from me nyama on me need me nyo say. Into ye me say me be fool. Because men see that say I didn't na bit me say but me mean to me nyosa na me dey before akasa and this is me but say ye ko enkura no mom bit me anya asem sa Akosua Serwaa begin say all pursue case no with the breach of verbal agreement, breach of privatization, sharing of her information and her details which were given to her in accordance with when they were working together. Uko company bim na oye adwuma na se wo jai company no na wo the company ni secret eba out, the company has every right to sue you in court. I'm telling you the gospel truth, and this is the truth. The company now would jaye juma wo hono. Would your secret apie no. That company has every right to sue you in court. You cannot just be talking to me whilst you're working together on secrets and things. And because I said the company has laid you off and get you no proof, no one could release the company trade secrets. Hey, you bet what to move. JB o man follow your one answer. Mo follow your one answer. Wo na wo support na wo push your drum. You will be part of and subject to this stupidity through a lawsuit. So mo fashion mo timu na adwene bi enim na school bi enim no. Mo fashion on any day a breach of agreement because say they agreed at that time say me the way bro for you way mommy it was an agreement and your data it was an agreement so obiba information details be on BBA. Firstly, you're breaching that agreement you had with them. What I say your verbal agreement and now say your written agreement, you know, something transpired before the person shared with you their personal detailing or their information. And nipa not share with you, no. One can't you cannot legally do that freely without any repercussion. Say men are the medium court for breach of agreement, breach of friendship, breach of agreement, and misstating you won't me you and because I'm misstating everything, the degradation, the insult, the disgracing, the inferring, because it is your word against my word. And it was an agreement we had as of that time to lie together. Yes, I do. I decided back with people with residence permits for 15 years, 20 years are being kicked out of Europe. They're taking them home. When you leave one company and restart with another company, companies' trade secrets that were with you, you cannot legally share them because you can't go to jail for all that. Legally. A civil case of breach of contract, verbal contract, sharing and exposing secrets that were shared by two people in accordance and agreement as of that time friendship. So if there is no more friendship, now you choose to go out, you can walk out without sharing. If you do share any person pursue, you can't go to jail. You can't be charged. Everything can work against you. So fast your head will spin around like you're going crazy. There are certain lines you don't cross. And there are certain things you don't do. Like I said, nokre eye back home. I will stick with the truth, and I would always stick with the truth with people. But I knew maybe na u pushy, na u je, na u pushy, na ye catch ni obe shun kura no be kanyansa samachi no be yina no asifem because you feel say we a champion, you get into deep shit. Obe get into deep shit. Mebacho, don't ever in your life tell me what to teach on my page. Don't fucking ever in your life leave me a message to tell me what to teach. I am not paid by no fucking person for you to tell me so I shouldn't come and teach that. Are you fucking crazy? Are you stupid? Did I go to school for you? Did you pay for my school fees? I don't know where you're pen we are saying. As someone made sure not just about Morda, but everything I made sure. Why are you sending me this stupid message? Please, I'm blocking the crime and Jimmy for Jimmy na Mwabra. Mukasa me one more time from Kwasiasem Kwasiade. Maka just me ni obi ku happy so. E dey Kwasiasem no. Me bet na me see en me chira de. Jimmy. Kwasiam penini. Mo de obi nso enchiro me die me kan jam se mame me nchire enyomo mbetimi di akora na to trouble mu. Am I not teaching the laws? Laws ne e ka me bakra me yemfa me banko je. Ya mbisa mi kunu no kan kire mu. Ono kura mra na be china mama ye na akogye. Na nya wo out app issue. Enchimi ne kwase ya dede ni enchimi sembe brebe. Wonim sa de ye de ma what is good for the goose is equally good for the gander. From chimi enso no kwase asemo no. E de enchimi samno no. Why would you come and tell me say mama chire no? Mama children, as in who are you? Why don't you go and on your life and teach what you want to teach them? I didn't know about children, mama children. Obi ya boni ne ye kan, osim mayenka, ye beka ye ne yenye. Ye beka menye because I'm telling you the truth. Obi ni wa share details. Obi ama details, information. As of that time, uni ni pan ne ye juma. Uni na mo agree some be money. Why your money ne we no free group mu. Ya pamu asem, me ko share trade secret. Emra say, wo ya ye betimi acho. Nipa metime no wakokọ watso atum nye chimie no na me go school am obi anya na odi me go school me papa bu me se me go school na papa sorry ya bu me ase ya me go school na won ka ho are you fucking stupid kwasi ade kwa betro na ye dien ye wo ma me shasidi nonsense munya isa ade na nye good obi ya ade na nye ubetimi aka me nka me de mra na e kira de asema me kan wo he emra e na me kire wo free company na sa wo de company ni trade secret e ko ba bia company ni timi kama ye chew eno ani asema me ka kire enti wo free company bi mu a enko sneche enko din konkonsa because company ne pom betimi ama ya chew wa wo sika ko chile bi for lawyer don't come and stress me here. Me cry some mama ma app no so that me see so. Remember shame your bufun kama brabo pacho. I will pick one by one or question and now waka. Na we are no wesi no before fraba me pacho. Obana be di matema kai when say I better viale page new me do atembi we are masia bodu ya pe so. Enya me na me dem na ba ya me na beto ye na me kan bi. Enti no emrane da ho I'm just showing you say ade a wo ya emrane betimi akekere wo nanu ni mpacho ba nso na de we kire a wa mi tu ho kakra bi ama me sere me pacho obi wo question obi so betimi ebisa ya ni mo no ya ba hwehwe no online na yeshia let's see Clemente mpacho betimi ebisa first a question why Pacho.
Oh, and your question I said a contribution and person me mouth. Maybe say dear witching you're absolutely right. 2 weeks ago when this happened, I told a friend of mine said the other party has the ever right to serve a Baba way. But
say there clean na dem ama my this so. Approaching for no. I say it's not what the omupo claiming.
Mbacho Kasa, sorry.
Yeah, the catch say Baba way, Mami way, or whatever right said to sell a Baba way. And yes, say war me camp, say me know Alberta your one camp. Na ye was some detailed vital secret go on and can me know me front chair. No ma ko baby ma ko ye PSA any no. No, you can never ever do that. Yes, I mean Ghana they have given a lot of people platform. Sebi, onim nothing about what is going on in this modern world. What could J baby because of which we call MVP platform Sintino, which we call platform Bias or cut the open beer. No, you can't do that. You cannot do that. You bet you will say yes.
You can be sued.
Say Efas Animano. Uko recording you, Mr. Baffin over recording you, said then Anuka home. Minu Jane, and then Udo crop until I can see you. Me Casas say, me is anime, Messino. I will never forgive you. And yes, will be for Quaco. No. Ghana the too much. And yes, she fan check a no, go by that kind of BS. Yeah. Winning no Coco, winning Pefe, you are releasing the information step by step. No, Brimako Genechi. Oh, Metro lawyer a yamon. No. I mean, dear woo push a crona come no Cocoyen and Nuka. Wouldn't say, and Brabio, what didn't she compro say, before lawyer man and Nuka, they can see you too. I yell bring me a beer, and she say, any man. Into the witch,
the videos and then Niama with more words at the Aquacusum.
Yeah, I can't. Because
a party to case or more young man party to subject.
Yeah. Brother you want no court. That's it, that's what we want. Brother you want. And
Nice,
yeah. The which no absolutely right. Never say the right case now open point out is Yano. Obi on Tias Yano. Ebi send back on a town for or town.
You know any business, not my business.
Yeah, business.
Emrani Mia Danfu.
Debbie.
The laws does not have a friend.
Yeah, Debbie.
Oh, yeah, judge Kurana assembly betua. You might get into trouble. That's one thing you should understand. You're creating Mrano send a beya in Nipa Betiso. Na Mrano so anywhere and can send the brevity me ato to yen. And until me a dem Mrano ayeden ato ho na a protect you biya. Se omuma obia we free ye chi and or the yen sam be kwa. And can you need peace, a lot of death and an so. And in order to stop that, they choose to bring laws that prevents that. And in and somebody be home, that's a free company now the court will not even hold it in high standard because say it can be stated, say based on your pains with this particular company, you fabricated evidence in, and it won't be accepted. Until the BBI biano, as I said, ode nyansa kakra etso ennuama ho. Say, enye BBI be kabia na ebe eden, ye beje everyone. Mpacho comment me da se pa, mpacho nyoko next. Scorpion Queen. Mpacho wa sembisa na. Okay, on yasem bisa ebi oboso ene yesi. Enti me pacho he loves daddy. He loves daddy pacho bibika. Okay, ebi ono so oboso ene bedaha. Enti me pacho, this is how the laws work. The laws does not allow everything, every utterances. Oh, na mene boy we wo ho. And a time na mene no ho no. Na mene ne dan ye film ye. Me jan wa ye me bibi bone. Me de compatro mrabecho. Emrabecho. na me ni we wo ho na wo ye criminal nneoma we me pa cho wo de ko no emra ne be chi wo first as a party to that illegal nonsense now yeah no don't think so they kwa wo ye son wo akwa ti sama ko am robbery na evidence bi ye nu e do abechi obi na wo wasakra wo Yesu Kristo din mu ntin ujimi ye say Bible no say Holy Spirit say for evidence no koma won yem fanche because say wo dey continue o feel say bi a wo dey kwa wo be free there bi e be reduce sentence na ama but dey be chew you reduce so the legal word they would use is for cooperating with the police in order for us to close this case. Your sentences have been reduced, not cleared, not closed. It will be reduced. And you know, you will pay for what you did. And sanaya twaso. And timpacho tiase. Bibiye niwa elephant queen wadebe ba. Ebesisa. Maami Akosua Serwaa case and Odo Broni case. Bibiye niwa modebe ba. Ebesisa. Bibiye de yakoso. Hi dear. I'm good yourself. Bibiye niwa ebesisa no. Bibiye nsasa no. The akwana court the bar first na ye chong manso no noa na da ho dia team legal for the ko biem say omo nti ase say omo appeal no yanji antu no noa no eguso da ho no enti me ba cho bibi enu esesa. That's your question.
Yes,
I'm good. But your question Anna. But you'll be any question I may be wrong because already no crying I'm not supposed to be here. And about 253. Let somebody understand. Tell somebody. Tell another person. Tell another person and another person say. Abeta viala say emrano enim kwasi agro yemfa mra nie pipra agro yemfa mra emfa nkonko panishi obi a wonye hwe yemfa mra nkonko panishi ada ye kan sen obi a woni ne won tokwa na wakofa nneoma bade beba mpacho the laws doesn't work like that. The laws is not your personal playground. Na wakase me di bone na sesi ade bone na me di ye na massacre na Jesus me nkwada yi na mesum Jesus oh Jesus oh mesum Jesus na emra na sesa prekope say asama ali obi kan ya it was a privacy agreement between you two. Na waba be preaching wabe kansem answer say yeka no wa feel say oh we trim no ameni girl yi kum ni maami yi kum maami ya pamome enti nsem bia na wo ho no be ba maami ne betimi ama ya cho obe civil case in the court. Me ba chomate odi ase maami na papa no betimi ama ya cho because say as of that time then wo no kwa agreement say mo koye adwuma abomu no wa meka nchiro say betana app no so na fa adwuma na mo ye no back door no fa bra beka chi obi wa no wan kosa agreement no and atem bia me kasa asem we. It is very illegal for you to record anybody. Musuya sa nyansa no. Mite bia meka me se me gina wano asam so abodua na me de wakoko. So we record obia na se eye for evidential purposes. Court mran say the law states say recordings can be shared with your lawyer, these officers, the judge as an evidential basis, and then in order for you to clear your name. But when you deliberately record somebody to shame them, to disgrace them, why would you have friends? Let them be a word team say bibi boni besin to me recording profuento. Why? Me bacho oh baby come meet me at you.
Alberta.
And
Over so say many will be kasa ni kwasa me recording.
Daddy. So we recording and so ubetimi a record because oka conversation no embra kwan so ubetimi a record but eba sharing na mrada ho
just say some okay ma'am
me no work say me a party to the conversation metimi a record for my own referencing someday but ukwa chem eho na some
okay
eho na mra no ewo mu no
just me bufu say den kwa na me ni right say be dey asem ne beto abonten
no
oh
what they pass evidence from a police ni from a judge from a lawyer so lawyer ni feel say ya bibi say back out our lawyer ni the beba and he is within his legal right to do so as a lawyer or what that certification they allow him to bring out evidence unibi
I said ya na mbrano ya yenti ase ti bibia na de betina media ne so na ye share oh there's a recording is not the problem but how you share it
thank you
where the problem lies okay okay
you can record every meeting as long as you are party to recordings are basically there to protect us from malicious lies but when that happens you write, this is how we need child services for case Wukurumhanum. I record everything without telling them. But when it came to sharing, I shared it at the court. They were shocked.
You did not share it
with
on
anybody else. No, at the court. Me question me printing ran account that states recording is permitted with any government worker, with the police officers, with everything and everybody. As long as you are party in that suit, you can do that. But who be share?
The honor 7 ejina. Mate de o kana say. Mate was perfectly. And just let's put this na issue advice.
Mame answer dear waha. When it comes to the law, we don't have a party A, party B. It's the laws. Ipamacho.
Yeah.
When I start teaching here, I'm Alberta, a certified paralegal. My course school not to teach. Me tradia the fact to say me a MPP it doesn't mean say me dey NDC for me ni obi enkon ye me kire me nsem ti na won ti ase ni edi matem me mfa won ti na me be ka asam na odi matem I don't give a fuck about you but the yamra no me kire say kwa ma hwanya emfa me ho because there are other people are omu ewo problem say mo mbetini esua I'm not just speaking because of
Alberta. Team Odo Broni kwana wa line so. Even if it's Odo Broni for kwana, then we will not make certain mistakes. What I say, it's here why I'm going mistake baby. Because you say me kwana me name say my dream say movement make say I'm a recorder and I have rights.
You have a right to record, but the sharing process is where the right is limited.
Me were right to share because no credit and person, but not knowing, and then you've make it clear. Say I'm making my record, but I can't bring it out. The lawyer and I say police need it for evidence sake. Make me the okay.
What the market na say bi anipa nipo nim na what say you share my way obetimi am nyina party to the suit
wow
obetimi dem nyina ka lawsuit no because each and every one of you have received something that was not meant for you into say me chirowa firstly me message ba ho this is how my message etie I will show you me send you a message. This is what comes under my message. And it's always a legal repercussion to everyone that gets it. Me send a message in legal it's in French and English. It says this message and any attachments are intended only for the user for whom I have mentioned their names. If this email comes to you in an illegal way, through an unauthorized method that it was shared with you. All the content within my emails cannot be shared by you with anyone, cannot be forwarded in any legal stance. If you do so and do not delete this message immediately, if it is not for you, you stand the legal chances to face me in court for legal negligence and liability to everything you share. Make sure let it be.
There's a woman warning.
It is part of my letter. It comes under my letter.
Say by an according said they didn't know.
Yes. Ain't what ain't so share. This is yes, legal disclaimer. This is what can happen. Make me the work of court because make sure you the clearly say no. For be sensitive messages. Anything I brought you know. Ayarefo omo ye dumb and daft no. Omo no ye adwuma wo court paper shredding place honom. Because omo nim adwene me to read, omo adwene na touch on special kids for no. That special syndrome people. They are the ones that shred court papers and every secret abroad. Because omo ntime nkan, eno ntime ye mfa nipa wo nyansa wo no. Because ye fa wo nyansa na bet me ko take picture. And I take a picture no so abai mecho. Enti na ban kura wanya kura ma wonfa. And the companies enkrofo staff for the bebre fie ho. So wo komu a omo ka kire wo say hwe no wan kokan yasem wo abonten agreement here no wo fei ye ne wo. So wo hwe nansen ya your friend is saying him 99 I'm not able to pick you. My pick you side it's not coming through. Nansen ya former president of America bedridden. Into omo hire a black person be some koye adwuma ho all kono and a presenters she and no start be so oba na sem what are you doing? You say I'm coming to take care of you.
That video was the
she's been fired all come no kasa open and no jump but one come you black man na omo hire now no hwe no okọ ho obi bisa na sem obi sa din say what are you coming to do? You say I'm sorry I'm not talking and not he's still working there. It's called privacy.
Okay, so the lady because she answered
that lady is fired because she talked.
Oh my
You cannot go and tell somebody's business when it's not your freaking business. They take these privacy statements very seriously. African they music and or we want to court me I do not report, but when you do record me, share it with your lawyer when there's a case. And also when I ask you to share it, and now I say 99 page will say, now I was asking my sister to share the audio recording between us because I wanted the truth there. And I want to share. But if you do have an audio recording, you need to share because as of that time, you know, I am requesting for the truth here and I'm asking you to share. Until you can legally share it.
Okay.
Man can't, you know.
Last one. I bet I don't go court. Another one last at the moment, you know, there's an issue. I know, say you've tried to advise already. When issue liba between you and Muna and the other side, you know, that Morda. I know say who try say no Obama advice I can't me, even though you make it clear. I like your lifestyle.
Metna Lizzie life for so make her say one call police station. One share her evidence with the police. Police if one will look into this was the first legal step to take out any repercussion after. Because I know what police station I can wasem and the police if one evidence no into one some the police station why or when you say what be reported in something na ba we feel say na you wrong go campaign no.
Okay.
But why ya na sa na ujai na uba na de mra ne hye won sam me social media nonsense. But nipa no so betimi drag you to the court, and trust me, if I start stating the kind of laws they can use on you to get compensation for disgrace, defamation, inferring derogatory statement for every bullshit that is happening here. Yeah, but you go far in life. And this is one thing I tell my children.
Okay, that's last thing.
Obi be pushu said there will be a bobra. Ya do because say wona sa agreement no na ewo no. Nipa ni yes subject to that issue, but only the main culprit.
It you know catch us a bobra.
And woni Ghana. And nipa bebre ni Ghana, but ya boom you do mo ya mo Ghana na mo makoda ma nim. The laws are there. Odo Broni choose so be chi obi a wo kan na some kind of boni a me donya me. Ai rade na mo bebre kra de Ghana go de muntumi nko bi because so play obi anu asem na wo ka bibia nipa bet me de akokot na make sure how the court works. When you don't live in the country, the case is there in the country waiting for you. The moment nipa bet say oba country no, the only thing they do is they go to the court and let the judge know say nipa no kan sa asem we fa me ho na me pese oyi anu wo ba kro no so. Until we invite no. Ukodu no be any number be invite no police for need to me invite to me. Come in same cast here. Oh bana ujina airport no me show so you ano. Because one, they did not get any place to serve you. Two, they did not have your legal telephone number to serve you, and they didn't have any way of contacting you. So the only legal thing the court would allow them to do, since you stated so many and somewhere is they will go to court and get that paper down and ready for you. Naturally, as a court now enforce so say so because in some year I can't debi where would you say and it's a true airport you'd have to have all your evidence. And then I may Ghana no. Number one, I carried the registry paper na man because I was just a one lumbo man worried that Germany no. Me the chair me bag mo koy. Me the Germany registry one number na me fresh so no. E wo me phone so me save the koy. And in case of anything now, we just call them and I'm free to go. I give the papers. Na wanya ne sa na we chire de ne we chire pa chire bechi mu akoda obi no.
Oh, okay.
Another bechi mu akoda obi no.
Me no we say na obi for Saba. You are a lovely person. I want to see more of you like this. Yana
me popo na me obi.
Enra.
Baby we fie nti na me ntimi enkwai kam.
Papa no you good pa. Papa no you lovely. We see mama ne thumbs up. Onu kwa le timi temo da. We see me donu
onifia nka me kwan
we see me pena sempa why ade Alberta say na ye pe me power chop why Alberta
no say ebi mo hye ni pe bufu
ebi Alberta you need to when most I would say 99% of the time no we are right but abotra ya na unya so but can wo side of the story no ya na wo ma wabufu ni dikan ansa na waka wasem ni ya na ma ya tinchen mi se mi ti wase pa but na me kuma ya mi ya better nya dede no ye no jeje ni na sem me pesi me nya wo say why abe na wuti mi cheche unya time so ya be cheche ni mam kakra
hello Papa, good morning Pacho Mate oh obi am here uti ya we abeti me send me screenshot Agreement with Mount Yasia no fa adia mark homame. That's all I need. But the one on Yasia. Say o time son e wo dan no a fire extinguisher e mandatory until ba on beba ho rent tenant bi aba within 2 weeks no more ba ho no more be show say bi ejaba say na be no what wow fire extinguisher no. Insurance you have to do it because in case the BBC and now she be die na better entire property no and in insurance you have to do it yourself e be a wa insurance or what they fine who means so you just try to do it yourself mention the power but me chira